In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form to a client chart in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know how to set up your form, send it to your client, and add the completed version to their chart so it becomes part of their official record. First, head to My Practice, then open Forms and Waivers. This is your central hub for all client-facing forms. Here, you can create a new form or upload one you've already prepared. If you're building a new form, give it a clear, descriptive name and check that fields like checkboxes, text inputs, and signatures are set up exactly as you need. If you're uploading, confirm the file is clean, easy to read, and formatted for digital completion. Before you leave this page, save your work and do a quick preview to make sure the client experience is smooth and there are no required fields missing. Once your form looks good, it's time to send it to your client. From the Forms screen, click Send to Client. Choose the correct client profile, add a short message if needed, and confirm you're sending the right form. This ensures your client understands the purpose of the form and how to complete it. Your client will receive a secure link and can fill it in from their device. You'll be able to see when the status updates to completed, which lets you know it's ready to be filed. After your client submits the form, go to that client's profile and open their Forms and Waivers section. You'll see the completed form listed there. Click the three-dot menu next to the completed form and select Import into File. In Practice Better, File refers to the client chart, so this action moves the finalized form into their clinical record. Wait for the confirmation or visual indicator that the import is complete. Once it's imported, you can find it in the client's chart for quick reference during sessions, documentation, or reporting. If you don't see the form right away in the chart, refresh the page and confirm the form's status shows as completed in the Forms and Waivers section. Also make sure you're in the correct client profile. These quick checks solve most visibility issues. That's the full workflow. Create or upload your form in Forms and Waivers, send it to your client, and after submission, import it into the client's file from the three-dot menu. With this process, your forms stay organized, compliant, and exactly where you need them when you need them.